is going to be my last video before I pull the plugs and put her back to bed. I want to show you the trailer. Tires are very, very good. I replaced about 2 years ago. Trailer's a little bit dirty, just due to all the snow and ice we've had. Got the full-size spare. And you got the folding tongue, which has got a real long folding tongue. Probably would say maybe about 3.5 feet to 4 feet. Tires over here in real good condition. Got the side rails to help you get it on the trailer when it's really windy outside. And that's the boat. That's the 2004 214 Fun Ship. You can check us out at boatsofdallas.com for any more information.